look at WooCommerce today. So once you install WooCommerce, which is a free plugin that's available in the WordPress repository, so you go into plugins and search for WooCommerce and go ahead and install it. You'll get first a little tutorial to set up your store. It's going to ask you things like, where's your store located? And well, how do you want to take payments? And what kind of things are you going to sell? Once you get through that tutorial, the next thing you want to do is start creating some products. So we're going to go in the dashboard to products. We have WooCommerce, and then we have products and all products or add new. And similar to posts, we can have categories and we can have tags for our products. So let's create a product. Let's say this is going to be WordPress course. And we'll type in some description text. Down here, we have a couple of different options. Is it a simple product? Is it grouped? Is it external? Is it a variable product? We'll go through these in future videos, but we'll do a simple product. And then is it virtual? And can you download it? So if it's something that they're going to get physically that they can download, you can click on the downloadable and you can add your file here. If it's just a virtual thing and you're just allowing them access to something, then you'll click on virtual. I'm going to go ahead and click on downloadable and we'll add a file here for the course. So let's say our regular price is $3.49 and our sale price is going to be $2.99. And we can add a file. Let's say this is our file that they're going to download. And the download limit, we can limit them how many times they can re-download their course or their files. And then we can also have an expiration date for the download. We'll just leave those blanks. If it's blank, then that means it's good to go for however long. Inventory, if this is a physical product and you need to manage inventory, you can put in how many you're going to sell. And you can enable stock management at the product level, which means it will go in and reduce the stock as you sell items. Sold individually, enable this item. This to only allow one of this item to be bought in a single order. So that means if they add the course, they can't add 3 of the course or something like that. Linked products, you can set up your upsells and your cross sells here. So you can link to other products that you've already created. Attributes are nice if you're going to be setting up some attributes such as, there's not great examples with a course, but if you're selling a t-shirt, let's say, you might have different sizes. So you would set up a custom product attribute and add, and then you would give it a name, so size, and then all of your values. And you want to separate the values by a line. So I did not do what I wanted. There we go. So a long line like that. And save attributes. And then once you do that, you have your options for your sizes. If you want a variable product where each of those sizes is a different cost, perhaps, then you would click on variable product, and with each of those sizes, you can set up custom settings as far as cost and descriptions and so forth. All right, the short description displays by the information of the course, and we can add a category, course, and you can add a product image. We'll keep this image as our product image, and a gallery as well. All right, I think we have all of our settings set up, so we'll go in and publish. And then we can go in and view our product. So there's our product. That's a very pixelated image. WordPress course. We have the sale price and then the full price. Since we added a sale price, there's our short description. And then there's our description text. It's bringing in some ads that we set up in the previous videos I did. We can have some additional information if, again, if you want them to be able to pick which size from a drop down, then you need to set up a variable product. And then if there's any reviews, you could see them there. Cool, cool. So there it is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip over to my real site, and you can see all of the different products that I have. And I just want to show you really quick what it looks like when you have an order. So if we go to WooCommerce and orders, give it a second, and you can see that you have the name of the person, the order date, and the status of the order. And if you click on the order itself, then you can get to more information if you need to ship out. You can see kind of a log of what is going on. And you can get an address if need be. You can see how they paid, and you can get a lot more information. So we'll do a deeper dive into orders in a following video, but this was just a little tutorial on how to get started and how to set up